Good day, ma'am. I am Divine Grace Tinawan from COC, and today I will report the module 2. The topic is all about the literacy. When we say literacy, based on the definition of the module is the state of being able to read and write. So always remember the two keywords, the read and write. So literacy also is stems from the word literate, which first appeared in 15th century. Literate is derived from Latin word literatus, meaning a person marked with letters that is distinguished and defined letters. So, this module provides an overview of literacy and what it means to be literate. There are so many ways people think about literacy, but most of it boils down to the traditional definition that is basically the ability to read and write. So always remember that the read and write it is all about the literacy. So that is the meaning. And other hand, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO 2009-2014 defined with two case description. First, literacy as a fundamental human right, and second, it is foundation for lifelong learning. However, as the world changes culturally, technological, and physically, so in recognition of the change, we must empower our students to explore, embrace the 21st century. Since possessing these new literacies as compulsory for both teachers and students in all levels of education, it is important to knowledgeable but about it and be aware of what it means to be literate in multiplicity of contexts of 21st century. And now we proceed the traditional or conventional literacy. Literate is related term of literacy. As nouns, the difference between literate and literacy is the literate is a person who is able to read and write. So, while the literacy is the ability to read as an injective literate is able to read and write. Having literacy. So, from the information, it is implied that the word literate could be given as idea about the person who is cultured and educated. And the traditional, there are three categories. Basic literacy. It is the ability to correspond visual shapes to spoken sounds in order to decode written materials and translate them into oral language. So the second is comprehension literacy. It is the ability to understand the meaning of what is read and to capitalize on the example above. This would be like to knowing the basa can mean either to read or to be with. And the lastly is functional literacy. It is the ability to read, decode, and comprehend written materials needed to perform everyday vocational task. This is the equivalent of reading the text and ang bata ay nagbabasa and being able to understand the basa. Here refers for reading and not to being with. Based on the example provided in the table above, it is pointed out from the conventional view of literacy. Reading takes Reading takes place for two things. First is the text symbols and grammar to be read. And second is the meaning message communicated by the text for the reader to extract. So always remember that literacy is the meaning, the two keywords is read and write. And in United Nations education, it is about the lifelong learning and the human. So literacy is very important. So always remember that we need to understand the meaning and the provided meaning. So that would be all. Thank you.